Okay, so before I put it together, let me just show you what it looks like, the final product. So basically, I have a servo motor in the front, I have a servo motor in the rear as well. Both wheels can actually turn, as you can see. Not only that, but you can actually crab crawl. Look at that. You can get them to turn in the same direction. So in order to do that, you use one remote, and then the other remote is used for the motor. As you can see, this remote is used for this motor right there. So basically, I have a 11.1 volt connected to a brushed 12 volt speed controller. The speed controller is connected to this big motor, brushed motor. Then the servo motors are connected to an RC car receiver. The RC car receiver is powered by another 3.7 volt battery. This battery is what powers these two servo motors. Alright, let's go and test it out. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video.